Is an IBAN required for international wire transfers? Imagine sending money across the world and wondering if you need a special code to make it happen smoothly. Well, that depends on where you are sending the money. An IBAN, or International Bank Account Number, is a unique code used mainly in Europe, the Middle East, and some neighboring regions. It helps banks identify your account accurately when transferring funds internationally. If you're sending money to a country that uses the IBAN system, then yes, you will need to include the IBAN of the recipient's account. Countries like Germany, France, Spain, and Italy, along with the United Kingdom, Turkey, and Switzerland, all requiring an IBAN for incoming international wires. The IBAN is made up of a country code, check digits, and the basic bank account number. It makes sure the money gets to the right place without errors. When you send a wire transfer to these countries, providing the IBAN along with the recipient's bank's SWIFT or BIC code is essential. The SWIFT or BIC code identifies the bank itself, while the IBAN points to the specific account. This combo helps process the transfer quickly and accurately. Now, if you're sending money to a country that does not use the IBAN system, then you usually only need the recipient's bank account number and the SWIFT or BIC code. Some countries might also have other codes or requirements, like routing numbers or clearing codes, depending on their banking system. Banks and credit unions will typically ask you for the IBAN when you're making an international wire transfer to countries that need it. If you don't have the IBAN, it's best to ask the recipient to send it to you. Not having the correct IBAN can cause delays or even failed transfers. Besides the IBAN, you might also need the recipient's full name, address, and sometimes the purpose of the transfer, especially if the country's regulations requiring it. To sum up, if you're sending money to a country that uses the IBAN system, you will need to include the IBAN. For other countries, the IBAN is not necessary, but you will need the recipient's bank details and the SWIFT or BIC code. Always check with your bank or credit union before making an international transfer to ensure you have all the correct information. This way, your money will arrive safely and on time, making your international transactions smooth and hassle-free.